How did everything start? It is a good question to ask. And we are going to find out the answer to that question today. Remember the night when you looked at the sky and were amazed? Lots and lots of stars, of different sizes. Some of them look brighter than the others. Did you even try to count them, as I did? How many stars you were able to count? The Milky Way is the galaxy that include our solar system. It is estimated that the universe has 100 to 200 billion such galaxies. Then, how many stars are there in the Milky Way galaxy? The answer is, we really don't know. As per the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, the figure could be between 100 billion to 400 billion. So, there are plenty of stars around in the Milky Way galaxy itself. But, how did they occur? Astrophysics used different mathematical and computational models to calculate the age of the universe. Different models came up with slightly different numbers. However, in general, it is believed that our universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. So, what happened 13.8 billion years ago? It all started within a billionth of a trillionth of a second. The universe grew by a time period of 10 to the negative 26th power. It is like a single bacterium expanding to the size of the Milky Way galaxy within a fraction of a second. Scientists called this as an inflationary period, which lasted just 10 to the power of negative 33 seconds. In simple terms, the Big Bang happened in no time. The Big Bang gave birth to the universe, space, and time. The earliest moments, just after the Big Bang, are still a mystery. We know very little about that period. The entire cosmos was too hot and dense. It took millions of years for what was once an incredibly hot and bright place to turn cold and dark. Cooling allowed atoms to form. The first was hydrogen, then helium, and so on. It took around 400 million years since the Big Bang to form the first star. Unlike stars today, earlier ones were massive and short-lived. A star is formed when a cloud of gas and dust in space has enough mass that the gravity from that mass pulls the material of that cloud to a central point, rather than the particles of gas and dust, escaping by their velocity. This process is called nuclear fusion, and can only take place where there is a lot of energy to bring these atoms together. Since the Big Bang, the universe kept expanding. Making more and more galaxies and planets. Our solar system was formed about 4 to 5 billion years ago, from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. The cloud collapsed, possibly due to the shockwave of a nearby exploding star, called a supernova effect. When this dust cloud collapsed, it formed a solar nebula, a spinning, swirling disk of material. This process eventually formed our star and the rest of the planets in our solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun and the planets, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In addition, our solar system is home to millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, as well as dwarf planets like Pluto, and dozens of moons. Beyond our solar system, we have discovered thousands of planetary systems, orbiting other stars in the Milky Way. Scientists believed that there are around 100 billion galaxies in our universe. Some of them are smaller than our own Milky Way galaxy, while some of them are enormous in size. The universe is expanding, and it is expanding too fast. Faster than the speed of light. Given the speed of expansion, some of the galaxies will not be visible to us forever. Some of them are emitting their last bit of light that will be able to make it across space and reach us only after billions of years from now. After that, we will observe them freeze and fade, never to be seen again. So, next time when you looked at the sky, remember to say hello to those stars. That might be the last time you are seeing them. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing, which means a lot to me. I love to see your thoughts in the comment section.